Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to turn green screen into transparent on CapCut or how to remove a green screen on CapCut. Firstly, launch the CapCut app and click New Project. Hit Import to upload your green screen video clips or drag and drop them onto the editor. Drag your video onto the timeline, then click on the video in the timeline to bring up editing options. In the right panel, open the Video tab and select Cutout. Check the Chroma Key box to activate it and use the Color Picker tool to select the green background in your video preview. Adjust the strength and shadow sliders to refine the cutout. CapCut also includes an auto cutout tool, which is great for videos with people. With your video selected, click Auto Cutout from the right panel. Wait for the AI to process and remove the background. You can add strokes to solid, outlines or dotted effects for style, and customize stroke color, size and spacing as needed. In the same Video tab, scroll to Mask, then choose a shape like circle, rectangle, heart or star. Position and resize the mask over your subject and adjust the feather slide to soften the edges for a natural blend. Finally, hit the export button and choose your video settings. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.